unu mara otu nsi ga-abịa emere anyị unu mere anyị kpatara na ya ọsọ enyemaka akwa ka anyị nọ na-anụ ka mgbe ụtụtụ n'ọhịa ka anyị kachi pụta eburu izu ndụ ọbatabekwe m.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, help me and share this particular video. If you can help me and share this particular video, my God will bless you. My God will continue to bless your family, because this particular video is for all the Biafran youth and is for all the Igbo youth as whole. So just take out your time and watch this video and see how our mothers in Biafra land are crying because of what Uchenna Okeke and his gangs are doing right now in Biafra land, especially in Imo State. So our mothers are crying because of how they are treating our Igbo youth in Biafra land. So I will not take much of your time. Just watch this video and also share your opinion in the comment section, because your opinion matters a lot. What do you think that will happen if these people continue killing our people in Biafra land? Most of our youth have gone down because of these people, because of Ebubago, Agune Chamber, and the rest of them. These people are not doing the work that the governor sent them to go and do. They are now killing their own brother because of what Sheikh Gumi told them, that you cannot win Igbo people unless you use Igbo people unless you use Igbo people against Igbo people. That is what is happening right now. Share this video, my fellow Biafrans, and also drop your opinion in the comment section. Peace.
Unu mara otu nsi ga-abịa emere anyị unu mere anyị kpatara na ya ọsọ enyemaka akwa ka anyị nọ na-anụ ka mgbe ụtụtụ n'ọhịa ka anyị kachi pụta eburu izu ndụ ọbatabekwe m.
Ụmụnne m biko nụ, ife a akago nkụ na agba ọbụ. Ụmụnne m biko nụ, ife a akago nkụ na agba ọbụ. Igbu mmadụ aghala akago nkụ na agba ọbụ. Ndị agba ọbụ anyị agbapụrụ onye a na-akpọ Uchenna agbapụrụ. Ife Ebubago na ndị otu ha na-eme na agba ọbụ, ọ dịzi too much. That is story anyị na-anụzi na agba ọbụ nke this time around, ọ dịzi too much. Because na ndị agba ọbụ ekintena si biko kinye ọtọ na-protest against this Ebubago udogachi kitazi apụtazi na-agbawusi innocent people. Kedu ife ndị a meru? Kedu ife ha meru eji agbawusi fa? Eji agbawusi ha, eji eme ha ife niile adị iche iche, agbawo ha akpụrụ ụmụ ha, ma ndị a akpụrụ ụmụ ha. These people were poor people nọ na agba ọbụ. These people were poor people nọ na agba ọbụ. Agba ọbụ people are crying every day. Ụmụnne ka ndị bekwa anya na ife ahụ. Ngwakwa onye na-ataịpụ ife ọ na-ataịpụ na comment section, because na-ekwuru Biafra, ịkọwa Biafra ọnụ. Ikwu na ndị na-ekwu Biafra wụ terrorist, na ndị na-ekwu Biafra ife merụ na East anọghị n'udo. No, ọ bụrụ ọnya nwanne, ọ bụrụ maka na ihe etiziri Biafra merezi na anyị nwa kwuo about Biafra, ịkpọwa anyị terrorist. Kịta n'ezi ife na-eme na agba ọbụ, n'ezi ka ndị agba ọbụ si ebe akwa, n'ezi ka ndị agba ọbụ si ebe akwa. Ụfọdụ ya afụkwa this video bịakwa na comment section ka na-akọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọnụ, abịa na ụmụ Igbo. Ụfọdụ ya afụkwa this video bịa na comment section na-akọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọnụ. Nna ife chọrọ ejukene gị, kere ife ọhụụ, kere ife Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mere gị. This man pụtara for you and me, nọrọ n'ime nga for you and me. O mere gị ife ọjọọ, and o ji ọnụ wee kwuo si na ndị a na-agbawusi mmadụ na ha na-eme n'ihi ya because of nọ na ime ụlọ nga, na ọ nọpụta na all this thing na-ya eme na ka all this thing na-eme n'ala Igbo. Onye pụta ogbuo nwanne, onye pụta ogbuo nwanne, onye gburu nwanne ya gburu odogwu. All this thing na-eme na agba ọbụ, ndị udo gachi na-eme na agba ọbụ. Ndị agba ọbụ na-ebezi akwa si gbatara ha ọsọ enyemaka. but ka onye agbatakwa gị ọsọ enyemaka udo ga-achị gọọmenti ka onye na-agbatara gị ọsọ enyemaka anyị nwanwe individual agbata gị ọsọ enyemaka ka ndị ESN agbata gị ọsọ enyemaka ndị ESN gbata ụlọ ọsọ enyemaka na wee kọwakwa na unu na sọpọtụ terrorist ife ma gwụ na unu etikwe n'aka Chineke ọkwụ sọsọ Chukwu agbata ụlọ ọsọ enyemaka because ka o si wee kwụrụ na everybody gbatara ụlọ ọsọ enyemaka na bad people no n'ime bad people no among you people ya kpọkwa ego no terrorist so kara mma ka unu kpọwa gọvanọ ọnụ ka ọ mara ife ọ ya eme n'aka ndị udo ga-achị ya ka ma na ya hosnata some people because na afọ nnọọ some people ife na-emebisi udo ga-achị ya ka ma na ya hosnata some people ka ma na agba ọ bụ a ga-adị mma because some mkpọwa all these ESN members or all these IPOP members ha batakwa kịta akpọwa ha gana terrorist so enyemaka ọnụ nọ n'aka Chukwu ute n'aka gọvanọ ọnụ kpọwa na gọvanọ ọnụ achọrọ m ka m gee this voice note m chọrọ ịgba ya ka ụnụ wee fụ ka ndị agba ọ bụ si ebe akwa wee fụ ka onye Biafra Liberation Army si wee bịa wee jụọ this man ntị picture n'ihu ebe a ajụjụ o wee kọọ ka ife si wee mee otu esi ebe bụrụ wee gbaje nwanne nwoke ọkpa achọrọ m ipost the thing because otu Facebook si wee dị get the video.
Alright, so guys, a quick one regarding the video post on Otutu of this lady, this particular lady that her video has been going viral over what she said on a program where you saw BAM TV, that is Yambaba and one other Mwachineke, where they were discussing about Mazen Namdekan. So the reason why I actually played that video because I wanted to bring this particular video evidence to show you people that now the reason why anybody get Potana Akoto Mazen Namdekan maybe because they did not succeed in their mission. They did not succeed in their initial plans, and then they decide to fight the struggle or the man called Mazen Namdekan. This particular video will expose a whole lot about this lady now here. So do not take us serious when you see some of them on social media coming out to say all manner of cooked up stories or propaganda about Mazen Namdekan. So I want you guys to listen to this our brother because he will expose this lady, her agenda, her initial agenda, how she failed, and the reason why she's attacking Mazen Namdekan and even the Biafra struggle from both left and right. So watch the video. I don't want to say much. Share your thoughts on the comment section and do well to share this video. Candias of Israel with you. Enjoy the rest of the videos. I will be right back.
Let's listen to the voice now. Yeah, one day go am as a sinner. I need to about everywhere. I feel an battle. But today, I know the change. There was a special advisor to Igbo's affairs. Makodema Mandibo. Makibo na Ganiru now. We can't allow all this in that pop to begin to unalive for our people. Alibo, they have taken our Alibo back. This is our land that is like a meme for how many years now? Because of IPOB, they have set us back. A man no we were not have because of 1 year long. A mom one you were cool. I'm about to need me. I'm him just say mununo. Or give you mununo eh? And a man of Kafa Lekuna anyao. That's because of 1 year long and again that was a matter I can say okay because you know you don't use me and dump me. Yes, let's listen to her voice. Let's listen to her voice. I just can be there walking show ever hano.
The caller on Skype, I think.
On Skype.
Hello, Uche. Shama Morales. I'm back now.
All these useless ex-members of the US now, Hannah Shai see her post.
Yeah, in a group. I am calling to sort of reiterate what our big sister, Sister Rita, has been saying all along. And I want our people to kind of sort of understand, like, how serious this is.
Very serious.
Unless you come back here, unless you get to experience this on a daily basis, I don't think our people are understanding how serious this is. We are in a state of emergency. Every single day on Radio Biafra, there is news about Boko Haram advancing and coming close and taking over churches and doing everything like all around, and our people are still sort of silent, and they call and nobody wants to know what are we going to do.
What are we going to do?
This is the second phase, but I don't think that people understand.
Do you understand what is going on? Do you know I'm playing this thing for you people now? So when you see them talking, because of Igbo people, we cannot wait and they see these people to destroy our land. A man now, because they didn't marry her. They didn't marry her, they didn't favor her. So you leave me, go marry another person. Okay, I go show you. Upon I just come back to Enugu, make it call radio, tell people that they need to support further because Fulani are advancing. But today now, she's now claiming that I want to open the eyes of our people to see what is going on. Including this one they call Urago. They are now on a position to open our people's eye. You don't know that it's envy and jealousy. I listen to them because I know them.
Understand what that means. The second phase, this is not the time for us to be asking questions. This is the time to say, what are we going to do?
What are we going to do?
The writing on the wall has already been written. All the signs are there, but our people are still silent. When I go on Facebook, when I see what we're talking about on Twitter, the conversation is not serious enough. Your people are dying. Maybe they are not calling you on the telephone every day to tell you they are dying, but they are dying. Just
your people are dying. Let me rewind a bit. Let me allow her to roll.
Already been written. All the signs are there, but our people are still silent. When I go on Facebook, when I see what we're talking about on Twitter, the conversation is not serious enough. Your people are dying. Maybe they are not calling you on the telephone every day to tell you they are dying.
Madam, but who is on in them? You on Radio Biafra. Call and say you are in Enugu right now. That our people are dying. That we need to do something. We don't need to come out and begin to talk. But today, now those people are calling that the people are dying. They are the ones that are analyzing them. This is why you never hear a man or give away my common one. Now I'm about to cook on a barrier. You get away never one. Oh, but you know, but almost 80% of them are like that. Hell, I am out of a child negotiation. You are need. We can pull over them. I love why she could love one Maria war and you go now. And the years on your hand they progress, they popular. Oh, you're gonna work you. I supposed to be the wife so that I'll be addressing Biafrans. I came back all the way from America and I was speaking with my phone. Yet I was abandoned. Okay, I will show him. That's why when you see them talking, get a man there with the conscience. You don't know where the angle they are coming from. Somebody is in prison. They are still talking about life imprisonment. They are still even insinuating about unaliving him. Yet you still see them coming out and talking. Not because he's a criminal. You will be asking Indian will be mad as a brother or sister. You don't know what is in their mind. I don't know. Any question the lawyer. Gig alonios. Be abonya he question na hobby mere cake for the wedding ceremony. Man I icho ida sijira ka gwalili. So how na Radio Biafra call and on about which before with the one holding Radio Biafra that time.
But they are dying. Just to get in the car, to go to a meeting to another state, to talk to our people about Biafra, that we will sit in the car for 2 hours, get there to talk to people, and they keep saying, but what are our brothers and sisters in diaspora doing about it?
What are you doing about it?
We have done the rallies already. We have spoken to all our friends overseas. We have done the May 30th march. We have done everything that we can do. All we're asking now is for our brothers and sisters in the diaspora to do their bit.
What is that?
And come and do what they are supposed to do,
like
which is to help to contribute to this defense fund.
Defense fund. She said we need to pay for what? This is the name, defense fund. What is the fund for? To defend ourselves. That is what is called defense fund. So she is not happy. There are people that are not supporting. Our people need to start supporting to pay money to buy guns and bullets. A lot of their voices, even the one of Uruago. Hapo. I don't have good though. I ain't get on internet. I ain't get on internet. Internet is a very good guy. Internet does not lie. They will just keep it for you. This is I'm talking now, it will be there tomorrow. Internet is there. It's okay. Let me not. I'll cut it. I'll cut her voice, put her picture, and just post it out. That's what I will do tomorrow. Maybe one day she will jam it and understand that if Mazen and Kano should be hanged today, which is not possible, the way they are insinuating, them themselves will also be hanged. Nigerian government if Nigerian government did not do it, the people that will do it will volunteer themselves. Court one on this side. We couldn't record there. This guy down. The guy is giving us trouble. I'm gonna pause it here a while.
This is very serious. I don't know if people want, if we need to get to a point whereby Boko Haram is going to come to all our individual homes and start burning things down for people to wake up.
Wake up.
Every single day that I listen to Radio Biafra, I have to tell you that I get the press. I get the press because I don't think that our people are ready enough. I don't think that they want this enough. Today and tomorrow.
Yes.
How are we going to get Biafra if nobody's doing anything about it? The time for false pleasantries is long gone. I'm not here to be nice about the state of affairs. You want us to do this, and we are trying to do this. There are people on ground training, and these people need your backup. They need your support.
Yes.
This is not the time to call on air and greet everybody. This is not the time to call on air and talk about the things that is not going to help us to get Biafra.
Yes.
We cannot sit here and Boko Haram is doing whatever they can to establish their ideology and take.
Okay, want us to be like them. They want us to be like them. Hey, one man score. Come to over
this country. And we just sit and we just talk and we just discuss and we just debate and we just argue and we just say and we pray and we hope and we wish. That is not going to get us Biafra. Action is going to get us Biafra. And I'm very disappointed because our men who should be pushing this, who should be championing this, who should be asking, calling every day on air, what are we going to do about this defense fund? When are we going to donate money? People call on air every day. They call the office lines, they call the studio line to ask for account numbers, but they never ever get back to fulfilling their promise to IPOB. It is very bad of us.
Yes.
Is this how we're going to win a war?
No.
That we have to call on air every single day to talk about a defense fund that at this point, every single Biafran in the diaspora, that should be your main priority. I don't care about conferences. I don't care about meetings. I care about what happens to my people because I gave up everything to come here to be with my people. To make sure that this Biafra that we are pursuing, this Biafra that we so believe in, this Biafra that we want to come, that it comes. Not because we are hoping and because we are praying. This is 2014. Today is September 1st, 2014. If you do not remember anything else that I ever say on Radio Biafra, remember that our timeline is dwindling and we are not doing anything.
At all.
I am tired of the talking. I am tired of the back and forth. I am tired of the waiting.
Oh, you are tired of talking. Okay, each your Rambo style. I walk with what you ege will help people who have a tea quick on our hating have a blame or always, those of you that are listening to me, always do what your mind tells you, okay? The go to Shabala, I'm happy you could date. I saw concocted the audio. You could date.
Tired. I am sick and tired of our men not doing but just talking. We have to do something.
We have to do something.
This is very, very serious.
We have to do something.
When we go to the churches to talk to our people say, oh, God forbid. The God we serve will never allow Boko Haram to come, but they are coming, and they continue to come. And they will come in front of your homes, and they will burn down your homes, and they will burn down your houses, and they will burn down these same houses that you're trying to save in Abuja and in Lagos, and you will do nothing about it but hope and pray that God is not going to allow it to happen. God is allowing it to happen because we sit idly by and we wait for these people to continue to kill us and subjugate us, and we sit here and we are debating and we are talking about what is happening everywhere else, but in Biafra land, I am sick and tired of it. We have to do something. The time to do something is now.
Everywhere, let me say now. What do we do now? Can I push in a cool on social media? It's a one of people. You get my problem. If you start listening to people without having your own mind, in area, if there's no clip to provide this idiot behind me what she said in the past, yes, and hip hop, they are the one on our life in Igbo land. We must make sure our Igbo remain peaceful. Whereas she's the one that is saying she's not encouraging, she's tired of too much talking. We need action. We need defense front. Because the Boko Haram are coming. Oh, Mazan are kind of convinced that the Boko Haram are coming. You say you're on ground, that you're seeing what is going on there now. I met you in a keyboard, sir. Man, I movie Nabia. I'm a movie, cartoon movie. If you know you don't want to we will follow you inside the pit toilet. Stay clear from our leader. Whether you are a man or a woman, you felt that maybe you roll and hide your mother and want to come and talk to people that I just need I got power everybody else. I know you know I got no oh today kind on social media. People know me that know me. I don't function yeah man when have area. John. But I'm the apata standing. Man we balo. Headline mona the chawa okay. He got a game chance for 2 weeks or 1 month to give his I can't quite here. I'm a media about Honor White, you know, Abella. If you like white before my girls drinking. Or we are more, we are working. Our business, I name a business. Our investment, I name investment. Things are working. Here are about extra curriculum activities. That's what we are doing here. So I think enough of this here now. What do enough? Can you talk about where small? Is she enough? I think enough of her jargon. So what?
Who are doing everything that they can to make sure, so even if it's just to ask questions about the affairs here in Biafra land. And then I challenge you to learn from the women. So, find out what is going on. Or otherwise, this Biafra that we are pursuing, we will sit here and we keep talking about it, and we will keep hoping about it, and we keep dreaming about it, while everything else is going down. There is nothing that is working here.
Sorry. So we're marginalized.
There is nothing that is working here. I see 5-year-olds that are on the road begging,
sorry.
And I ask myself, when did Imos become beggars? When did we become a people with no shame?
The marriage you have this request button.
Streets coming up to your car and begging for arms. When did Imo people become so desperate that we beg?
It's okay. Evan. Get yourself together. Get yourself together. Get yourself together. Get yourself, Chioma. Get yourself. Don't cry. Don't cry. We must do some. We'll create ESN. Okay? Don't cry. Don't cry. They are on our life since 1966. But even here, you no, Ebele, I'm on the issue. I'm the man. Ebele, Chineka go.
And I ask myself, when did Igbos become beggars? When did we become a people with no shame? There are able-bodied people who could be fighting for Biafra right now, on the streets, coming up to your car and begging for arms. When did Igbo people become so desperate that we beg? The time to do something is now.
Hold yourself, please. Hold yourself.
The time to do something is now. The time to do something is now. This is not the time to pretend. This is not the time to argue. If you want to help your country, if you want Biafra to come, this is the time that you do something. Biafra is going to come only if we do something, and the time to do something is now. If there is anything else that you do for the rest of the week, you ask yourself, not what Biafra has done for you, but what can I do for Biafra? Thank you so much, Uche, and I do still greet every Biafran that is listening to me this evening, wherever you are, and thank you so much for your continued support. And so I'll rest my case for now. Thank you so much, Uche.
Thank you, Chioma, for that. That is our sister Chioma Melodies from the Indigenous People of Biafra office in Enugu, our headquarters.
It's okay. This is just to tell you that a lot of people you see today that are condemning our leader, one thing or the other is affecting them. The franchise said because of his money, he saved the money for like 12 years, he saved 350 euro. And that 350 euro is his life savings, and then that we must give him back his money. So everybody see today complaining one thing or the other. He can't go out and say, if you like, I play his own. Man, I don't do propaganda. If he say meto is a lie, I play it. He can't go out and say his own that Mazen can't stop praying 7 times in a day.
What's president?